Did you know your Sonoff smart switch can do this automatically without you lifting a finger? Whether you're a beginner or smart home nerd, these eWeLink secrets will change the way you automate. Hey smart home hackers, I'm Jason from Eiferer Home Automation, and today I'll show you how to get the most out of eWeLink. From smart scenes to power monitoring, from basic automations to pro-level tricks, using the Sonoff Zigbee bridge and the eWeLink cloud. Let's start with smart scenes. Most people just set basic, if this, then that rules. But did you know you can layer conditions like time plus device state plus weather? Alright, the scene we're creating here is at sunset. If there's motion, turn on the first channel of the T5. Pro tip, use the delay action to keep the lights on for 5 minutes after motion stops. Want two switches to control the same light? You don't need Node Red or Home Assistant to do it. You need to create two scenes here. One for the switch that is not connected to the return, is turned on, and then another for that same switch when it's turned off, and then we just toggle the switch that is connected to the return light. Using the Power Elite, eWeLink tracks your real-time energy usage. Don't ignore this feature. You can create scenes like send notification if the geyser uses more than 5 kilowatts per day. Let's quickly do that. Your device list doesn't need to look like a digital jungle. Group your devices in rooms, name them properly, and collapse categories. Trust me, a clean dashboard means faster control and less frustration from your spouse. LAN control is snappy and works even if your internet drops, but it only works on the same network. For lights, use LAN. For remote geyser control, cloud is your friend. Let's wrap it up with one of the smartest tricks you can use. Let's say my urn heats up at 5 a.m., but only if I didn't turn the virtual switch, urn override, on the night before. To make this work, I use a virtual switch in the eWeLink app as an override. Quick note, virtual switches are part of the advanced plan and you will get 5. So you'll need to upgrade your eWeLink account. Step 1, create a daily urn on scene. If time equals 5 a.m. and urn override is off, then turn on the urn switch. This turns on the urn only if you haven't set the override. Step 2, create the override blocker scene. If time is between 4:50 and 5:10 a.m. and urn override is on, then turn the urn off. This guarantees the urn won't heat even if the default timer is triggered. Step 3, reset the override daily. If time is equal to 6 a.m., then turn off the urn override. This resets the system so it's ready again for tomorrow. If you're new to virtual switches or don't know how to create one, check out my dedicated video where I'll show you exactly how to set them up and use them in powerful ways. Now you're no longer just using eWeLink, you're mastering it. Which trick was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more pro-level automations, subscribe for next level tutorial where we will integrate eWeLink with Home Assistant.